Yes, this is Patrick with. I was trying to speak to.
Hi, this can I help you?
Hi. Yes, so this is Patrick with. We offer a non-toxic driving system that cuts costs, eliminates hazardous waste, and includes full technical marketing support.
Mm-hmm.
Are you using a safe and eco-friendly option for your driving system? Like, what solvent are you using?
Yeah, I don't know the exact solvent, but it's hydrocarbon, so we use hydrocarbon. We
Oh,
have
you're
a real star machine.
Oh, you're using hydrocarbon? You have a
Yeah.
rail star? Okay. Well,
Yeah.
I don't know if you're familiar.
We've seen it at like the in out and about.
Oh, you have seen it? Okay.
Yeah.
Because the way it works, just a quick refresher, the way our solution's made from pure liquid silicone, which is an odorless, non-toxic fluid that's also found in personal care products like hair conditioner, sunscreen, moisturizers, and anti-aging products.
Uh-huh.
So it's guaranteed not to contaminate the property. It's not regulated by the EPA. And so we're the only sustainable, environmentally non-toxic option for driving. A lot of others are carbon-based and considered a ground contaminant or volatile organic compounds. And then being environmentally non-toxic with our solvent allows you to eliminate hazardous waste fees and other regulatory expenses. Quick question, like how long have you been using hydrocarbon before?
Well, we just switched our plant, so just a couple of years.
Okay, what were you using before?
We were using PERC.
You were using PERC?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we are a replacement for PERC according to the driving and longitude independent studies done in the early 2000s. So I was calling to, would you be open to, we just want to see if you just have your options open, just to kind of, I don't know if the last time you kind of, reviewed our solvent. We just kind of see if you just be open. Can I send you an email about it?
Yeah, you can send me an email about it.
Okay. All right, yeah. Ashley, what is your email? Okay.
Yeah.
And then Ashley, just a couple questions here just so I can critique the email. So do you drive on the premises?
Yes.
Okay. And then the solvent, what solvent do you currently use? You said hydrocarbon, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I always have to ask this. Are you in the market for buying a new or used machine?
Not currently, no.
Okay, not currently. Okay,
right.
That's fine. Like I said, we just want to see you open to comparing at this stage. That's all. Okay. How many of your locations are plants?
Only one.
So it's just one location total, correct?
Yep, one plant location.
Okay, so one location. Okay, so you're Eastern time, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to send over an email. Would it be okay if I gave you a call back on Wednesday?
Yep. Yeah, that works just fine.
Okay, if I say, how's this time? 11:30.
Yeah, that would work.
Okay, perfect. And then, so I'll send you an email and a calendar invite for a phone call for Wednesday at 11:30.
Okay, sounds good.
We look forward to it. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. Bye.